Question 11A, Nov-Dec 2023. A point P, which is 2, -1, and the lines x minus 4y plus 1 equals 0, and 2x minus 3y minus 3 equals 0 are in a plane. So if the lines intersect at a point Q, we have to find the coordinate of that point, that Q, and hence find the equation of the line which passes through the point P and Q, and later on find the magnitude of P and Q. I believe you know you can easily find the values of these under coordinate geometry. Now, if you are talking of intersection of a line, it means we are solving the two equations simultaneously, finding the values of x and y on which belong to the both lines. So if first line passes here and the second line passes, they are point of intersection. That point, the x will belong to both the first line and the second line. The y will also belong to the two, and that will give us the point Q. You know, a point is always x and y axis. So the first thing first is to find the values of x and y in these two equations. So we are going to solve it simultaneously. So I'll have x minus 4y in this case equals to -1. 2x minus 3y in this case equals to 3. So equation 1, equation 2. So those are the two equations we are going to solve simultaneously. And in solving this, we always try to, if I want to use elimination, making the coefficient of one of the variable the same. So I want to eliminate the x. So I'll make sure the x here also has 2. Therefore, equation 1 times 2, meaning 2 times x, 2 times 4, 2 times this will be -2. That becomes equation 3. So I'm solving equation 3 and 2 simultaneously. So now I have the same coefficient, so I can subtract to get rid of the x. So I will have equation 3 minus equation 2, meaning this. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 8 minus -3. You know, it become plus. So that becomes 8 minus this. Or we can say 3 minus 8. And that will give us a -5. So I have -5y equals to this here is -2 minus 3. I believe that will give us -5. So this becomes -5. We divide by -5. So y will be equals to 1. So this can be put into any of the equations. So we can say put y equals to 1 into equation 1. This very one. Meaning x minus 4y, and y is 1, equals to -1. Maintain the x. This is going to be 4. Let this cross become positive. So equals to -1, which is here. This becomes +4. So your x will also be equals to 3. Therefore, the point Q is going to be x-axis, y-axis 1. So that's the coordinate of the point Q. Their intersection give us the point. All right. Now we are going to find equation of the line which passes through the point this and this. Before we can be able to find equation, we need a gradient. So we need to find the gradient of the point P and Q. It becomes one line. So here we know gradient. M equals to y2 minus y1, x2 minus what? x1. Don't forget that P and Q. So P first, meaning that is our x1, y1. This will be your x2, y2. So y2 first. So m equals to y2, which is 1, minus y1, which is negative 1, divided by x2, which will be 3, minus x1, which will be 2. Don't forget, minus become positive. So your gradient is going to be 2 divided by 1, meaning the gradient is going to be what? 2 divided by 1 is 2. So the gradient of the point PQ is 2. To find the equation, we can use y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. We can still find this using this minus this equals to another gradient of the point. So we can still get the same answer. But I prefer this one where y and x are in the plane. Therefore, y1, x1 will be either of the point. If I pick this is my x1, y1. If I pick this, x1, y1, any of them can be used. So I'll be going for this. Y minus y1, which is negative 1, m, which will be 2x minus 2. You see that this is x1, y1. Negative, negative, positive. So y plus 1 equals to 2 times x. 2x. 2 times minus 4. Minus 2 give us what? Minus 4. There are two ways in writing this. We can transfer all of them to the right equals to 0, or maintain the y at the left and send all other to the other side. So y will be equals to 2x minus 4, then minus 1. This minus. This is positive, so it becomes minus. So y equals to 2x minus 5. You can see the gradient is the same. 2. The y-intercept negative 5. We can write it this way, or this is coming there. Therefore, 2x, this is coming to become minus y minus 5 equals to 0. So this could be the equation, or this could also be the equation. So we are done with that. The last thing is to find the magnitude of the point P and what? Q. So per recall, we can see that the magnitude of PQ is going to be the root of x1 minus x2 squared, y1 minus y2 all squared. This will be our point. Don't forget, P is 2, negative 1. Q is what? 3 and 1. These are the points we are having. So if I am using this one first, that is my x1. So I have 2 minus 3 all squared. Y1 is going to be this. Your negative 1, and y2 will be 1 all squared. Don't forget, this will give you negative 1 squared, negative 2 squared, 1 plus 4, right? And that gives us 5 units. The root of 5 units. So the magnitude, we can do this in decimal as well if you want. We can also leave it in the root as in this form. Alright, I believe you get it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.